Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use vertical tab in your Microsoft OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. To use vertical tab, first launch or open OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. OneNote app is now open and you can see here horizontal tab is open. Go to view from the top menu bar and here you will find tab layout. Click on a small arrow and you can find two options, vertical tab or horizontal tabs. If you choose vertical tab, then all your tab will move to the left, vertical, and if you want to change horizontal tab, then same process. Go to view, tab layouts and choose horizontal, and you can see your tab will move horizontally. So you can easily choose vertical tab or horizontal tab in your OneNote app for menu. That's all.